Deep within the heart of São Paulo, amidst rolling hills and vibrant greenery, lies the Baroneza XI residence. From the outside, the Baroneza XI appears as a sleek, compact design. The architects cleverly position the house towards the front of the lot, maximizing space. An air of privacy is emphasized by the lack of windows on the facade and the use of stonewood with white mortar. Stepping inside, we're greeted by a central meeting space bathed in natural light. A striking 14-meter metal shelf takes center stage, functioning as both a practical element and an artistic statement. Detached from the walls and floor, it creates a sense of openness and intrigue. In contrast to the closed-off front, the south facade embraces the outdoors. Large windows and wooden panels that slide open onto the garden create a sense of connection with nature. Lush greenery infiltrates the bedrooms, bringing bursts of color and natural light into the most private spaces. The L-shaped layout, while appearing dense from the front, reveals a surprising lightness. The elevated design and elongated proportions contribute to this feeling of airiness. The Baroneza XI is a testament to the power of design to create a haven of light, privacy, and connection with nature. The Baroneza XI residence is a true architectural gem. It's a place where privacy meets openness, and where nature becomes an extension of the living space.